Software. Myself Jitain, and I'm going to cover key features of Jainam Software in this video. So Jainam Software is not just a software, it is basically a technology solution partner for your business. You can manage your end-to-end business using Jainam Software. So your business journey starts from a customer onboarding. So in Jainam Software, you can have your own mobile app, website, where customers can come, verify themselves using mobile, create login, provide personal information. Then using Jainam Software, which will be running in the background, you can do eKYC check, real time, bank account verification, and you can also check the credit score of your customer. And using certain rules, you can decide whether you want to accept this lead or reject it. You can do that. So if you decide that this lead is accepted and user should apply for the loan, then you can get the loan approval in your system, where you can categorize the loan in different status. Once you approve the loan, message will be sent automatically to the customer, and then a loan will be created. So let's say a loan is created here. Then for that loan, you will get a lot of information which you can help to manage this loan. So Jainam Software is basically an automated accounting platform built using a lot of different digital APIs. So APIs like email automation, SMS automation, eKYC like Aadhaar, PAN, voter ID, driving license, auto verification, then payment gateway, which helps you a payout from your account to borrower's account, then payment gateway, where customer can log in and pay you using different channels like UPI, net banking, debit card, and mobile wallets. NACH, where you can schedule the auto debit from borrower's account to your account as per the repayment schedule. And very important, in all these integrations, the manual effort is reduced or almost done to zero. So if your business is going from 100 loans to 1,000 loans to 10,000 loans, you don't have to spend that much effort. Your daily effort would be probably like less than 5 minutes to manage your business. And very important, you can also check the credit score of your borrower on just one click. And it will give you a proper credit report also, and it will tell you the score. Also, it will give you the hint or the narration coming from the credit bureau. The software is very simple to use. You don't have to train your staff, your customers how to use, because it is straightforward. You don't have to understand a lot of accounting concepts. They're already inbuilt in the system. So we also provided a chart of accounting where you don't have to worry, okay, whether my interest paid will go in indirect expenses or direct expenses, or where should I put it, and all that stuff. It's already inbuilt in the system. What you have to do is you have to use. So on just one click, all the vouchers are settled in proper ledgers actually. For example, if customer has paid 2,000 and installment was 2,500, out of which 2,000 principal, 400 interest, and 100 late fee, and customer is paying, let's say, 2,000. So it will automatically get adjusted. Penalty will be deducted, then the interest will get deducted, and the remaining amount, that is 1500, will get settled to principal. And still it will show in your report, it will show that 500 not received or due today for that specific customer. So it is implemented in so perfectly that whatever amount you enter, it will get adjusted accordingly. So system will calculate it and will show you in the report properly. Okay. So the beauty of Jainam software is basically a mobile collection. So you can give your company mobiles to your collection staff. The mobile can be locked so that your staff can use mobile only for collection, and after that staff cannot log in from any other system. So, and then staff will get a proper list, whom to contact, how much amount to collect. Once amount is collected, the record will get disappeared from there. Customer can just enter the follow-ups also. Sorry, the staff can enter the follow-up comments in case customer is not available at that time. And a lot of different concepts, more than 50 combinations or scenarios, practical scenarios are implemented while doing the mobile collection. In addition to that, the system can be accessed as a super user by the super user. Then super user can create different companies, branches. Then for specific companies, admins can be created. Admins can give access to staff like office staff, collection staff, recovery agents, CAs, auditors, and to customers also. Customer can log in, view their account, and can do a digital payment as I explained earlier. So in HR management, employee list, here employees can be defined, their salaries can be defined here, then attendance captured automatically. So based on their work days, leaves, holidays, the salary can be generated automatically in the system. Then business summary, all accounting related stuff can be accessed here. So what I suggest, you just take like 15 days trial and explore all these features. So before you purchase, you practically check the software, how it works, whether it is suitable for your business or not. And very important, we work in agile mode. It means we do a real time deployment. It means we get our team, like customer facing team, continuously talk to customers and get more and more requirements from there. And then our development team continuously work and basically convert the requirements into a business functionality, and automatically it will get deployed so that it will get available daily basis to all our customers and without impacting their existing data or functionality. We heard a lot of noise complaints from different customers who are coming us from different softwares actually, that the requirement management in most of the companies are not done in well manner. But here we follow agile method, and our the implementation of the customer requirements features are basically real time. Then, so Jainam software, why people like it? Because the first thing is it is very easy to use. So I can show you one example. I search loan here and click enter. So you know, like where my cursor has gone, it has gone to the amount, right? So it has gone to the amount, and then I just click receive, and it has gone back to where I have to search the loan. I search loan again here. So we have taken care of small things where customers facing the challenges and other stuff. So it is implemented because let's take an example of NBFC uh, having like 100 customers approaching them daily. They want to see uh, access the loans and see the reports and other stuff. So they need to be very fast. Okay. So here installment tracker at one page, on one click you can also compare your installment tracker with transactions. You don't have to jump here and there like you find in a lot of different softwares. So very important factor here is it's very easy, convenient to use. Then second thing is, as I mentioned, it is built on chart of accounting. So it means you don't have to uh, think a lot when it comes to the accounting principles. Okay. So like, okay, so I have to add let's say interest paid. So you'll come to know, okay, it is already as a part of this. Okay. And then, for example, document charges. Okay. Document charges you can define. Okay. So for a loan, let's say I define percent and let's say I want to charge 2% document charges. Okay. And what I do now, I search a customer and I click loan and let's say amount, I select a product and amount, let's say 20,000. Here you can see that document charges automatically calculated here, right? So a lot of automation, not just this. I'm just giving a simple example of automation. A lot of automation is done here. I click save, and let's say loan 131 I search, and you get to know the installment tracker, every installment 3333, and let's say I enter rate of interest coming 0 because the scheme I created, it was just for testing purpose where I wanted to test the specific interest. So let me create another loan quickly, loan, and let's say I create, okay, let me configure it manually. 1 lakh, 2% monthly, IRR standard for 50 weeks. Okay, let me calculate, okay, and this interest and click save. Loan 132 is created, 132. And here, anyway, interest I can easily see here. Okay, but I want to know the installment, which is 2247. Okay, if customer is paying whatever amount, let's say 10,000, receive. You can also have option to adjust principal, way of receive, pre-close, way of pre-close. There are so many uh, examples, scenarios covered here. I click receive, and then automatically your installment will get adjusted properly. How much due for from that installment, it will show you a lot of stuff. Okay, you can explore Jainam software, and I am very sure you will like it actually. Okay, so when you access Jainam software, you will find there's nothing here actually. Okay, because we kept it very clean, neat and clean. Okay, but actually when you start using it, you will find that your 100% requirements are satisfied. Okay, and that's how it is. Okay, then status report, all reports are built for your business purpose. So for NBFC, the credit bureau report implemented, which will take care of your different loans, and it will create a report as per the credit bureau format. So on one just, so I have, I heard from NBFCs that it's taking them like days to submit a credit bureau, but here on just one click you can submit report probably in like less than uh, maybe 1 hour. You can submit report for all your last 2 years, 3 years backdated reports, right? In case you did not submit it. So And importantly, this one platform supports more than 25 different LOBs, right? For example, NBFC, then media companies, microfinance institutions, MFIs, then NGOs, and payday loans, hire purchase, right? And chit fund companies. We have a lot of customers uh, in different geography in Africa continent. So their scenario is very different. But still, the software is working well for them. Why? Because it is built on a configuration basis. Okay, nothing is hard coded. You can twist the software as per your business need. All right. So, uh, so what I suggest, just go to jainamsoftware.com and take a 15 days trial. Use it, check all the features, and then once you are ready to purchase, you can just WhatsApp on our number, and then we'll be glad to help you. All right. Thank you so much for your time, and have a great day.